How to activate a Cash App card without QR code. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to activate a Cash App card without a QR code. Open the Cash App mobile application, as you can see here. After that, you will see this homepage. On the homepage, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of Cash App. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to access different sections of your account. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Keep scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, make sure you tap on the support option that appears here. The page starts loading, as you can see here. Give it time. On this page, you are in the support categories section, where you can browse help topics for your transactions, security, and card options. Scroll down through the categories past payments, adding money, and withdrawals, and tap Cash App Card. This option provides troubleshooting guides, activation steps, and help for missing card deliveries. From the options that appear on this page, look for one named Getting Your Card. As you can see, here is the option. Tap on it. You will then land here, where you will see several options related to getting your card. From there, proceed and make sure you look for an option named Activate Card. This is the Cash App Card activation section, where you can find instructions on how to activate your physical card if you do not have the original QR code packaging. Follow the step-by-step instructions to go to the Money tab. Select Activate Without QR Code and enter the 3-digit CVV located on the back of your card. This option provides a quick way to fully activate your card features online or in-app so you can start spending your balance. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to activate a Cash App card without a QR code.